In this video, I will talk about what is a linear equation in two unknowns. As you can see here, the equation must contain two unknowns. Cannot be one unknown or more than two unknowns, okay? Exactly two unknowns. And linear means the powers of the unknown is 1, okay? So for example, x plus y equal to 5. This is a linear equation in two unknowns. You can see x and y, these two unknowns, and the powers of x and y are both equal to 1. So this is a linear equation in two unknowns. And you can also see that y equal to 5 minus 2x. This is a linear equation in two unknowns because you can see x and y, these two unknowns, and you can also see the powers of y equal to 1, the powers of x equal to 1. Okay, so this is a linear equation in two unknowns. X over y equal to 5. This is not a linear equation in two unknowns, although this equation has two unknown x and y, but and also the powers of x equal to 1, the power of y equal to 1, but they are not separated into two terms. Okay, the two unknown must be separated. So this is not a linear equation in two unknowns. And how about x times y equal to 5? As you can see that this equation also has two unknown x and y, and the powers of x equal to 1, the powers of y equal to 1. But x and y here just one term. They are not separated into two terms. The two unknowns must be separated into two terms. So this is not a linear equation in two unknowns. How about 2x squared plus y equal to 5? This is not linear equation in two unknowns, although this equation contains two unknowns x and y, but the powers of x is not equal to 1, so this is not linear. Okay, and x plus y minus z equal to 0. This is not a linear equation in two unknowns. Here you can see more than two unknowns, x, y, and z. So this is not linear equation in two unknowns. Okay, that's it.